Hello Swiss chard enjoyers. In this video, I'll be showcasing a 3 to 4 year old Swiss chard plant that I've neglected, yet it's thriving in my backyard. Maybe it's all this compost tea I've been hitting it with. Anyway, this Swiss chard plant has been an anomaly to me, as not only have I barely taken care of it, but it's continued to live and thrive after bolting multiple times. This got me curious. I wanted to know if the leaves that this plant was growing still tasted good. The easiest recipe for me to make is Swiss chard chips, and I just so happen to be cooking something in the oven at a temperature these bake at. You can find the affiliated food and recipe channel GMFV for the recipe, and when I've made these in the past. But these are so easy to do, I'll go over the process here. When harvesting the leaves, I pick the healthiest looking ones, trying to avoid those with holes or damage to them. The reason I'm curious if these leaves still taste good is that leafy greens as they bolt tend to start tasting bitter. With this plant having lived so many years and having bolted multiple times, there's no way these leaves still taste good, right? After washing the leaves and preparing a baking sheet with a thin layer of olive oil, I sliced out each stem and broke the leaves up into bite-sized pieces. Onto the baking sheet they go with a light sprinkling of salt and drizzle of olive oil. And these bake at 325 degrees Fahrenheit for about 18 minutes. So now the moment of truth. Do these leaves taste good? Wow, I'm surprised. Not only do they taste good, but they are much sweeter than I remember Swiss chard ever tasting. To answer the question in the title, yes, leaves from an older Swiss chard plant can taste good. But your experience may vary. I, for one, am glad I can put this ancient plant to use in the kitchen.